Hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to texture our pan model. So first off, let's just texture this whole thing by holding right click, going down to Assign New Material, click on Shader and do AI Standard Surface, and we're just going to make this whole thing black because it's a black pan. Let's put metalness at like half, diffuse roughness up a bit, and then we're going to add some metal accents in. Go ahead and click, let's see, click on Arnold and add a sky dome light. You can see how the black's turning out here. Go into face mode and then hold tab and select, let's see, I want to select this ring and probably that ring. And then also I want to select the handle, so hold shift and drag like that, and then hold tab and click to get like the rest of them. There we go. All right, hold right click, do Assign New Material, Shader, AI Standard Surface, and this we're going to make like a light gray and put metalness up. It'll be like the metal in our handle. All right, let's click on Arnold and do Render, and that is how our pan is showing up right now. You see we got that fun like gray texture there. Yeah, that's basically like the very simple pieces of it. If you scroll all the way over, you can edit like specifically if you want the roughness to be up. If you don't want it to look so metallic, you can turn metalness up or down, or you can turn this roughness down to make it look even more glossy, or all things like that. I would say find like a happy middle ground. You don't want to make it like super glossy because obviously pans aren't. But yeah, that is about it for this guy. What I usually do is click on poly modeling, grab a plane, and then scale it on up, push it under our model. Make sure he's not going through him. There we go. And then hold right click and assign a new material. Do AI Standard Surface. Click the little checkered, and then you have like a fun texture kind of for the background. So yeah, that is about it for this tutorial. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I will see you guys for our next tutorial. Bye guys!